Press the copy button. The control panel will light up. Mark the position of the asterisk. Press the arrow to exit the menu. Open the toner cartridge cover. Press the asterisk button for about 5 seconds until the reset menu appears. Now you have to select the toner cartridge you need to reset. Select K for black toner, C for cyan toner, M for magenta toner, Y for yellow toner, high capacity, standard capacity or extra high yield capacity. Let's try to reset the yellow toner. Select yellow toner, standard. Press yes. It will show accepted. If you are not sure which is your toner, you can reset all the yellow toner. Standard capacity, high capacity and high yield capacity. Press the home button. Close the cover. Check the toner level. The yellow toner is now at 100%.